How to post multiple photos on Snapchat Story. What is up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily post multiple photos on your Snapchat Story. For that, you first need to open up your Snapchat and log into your account. Now from here you just want to head over to your home section. From here you can choose your camera roll. Now all you have to do is select the pictures that you want to post on your story. So from here on the top right you will see this tick mark right here. It allows you to select your pictures, but if you don't see it you can always long press on the picture like this and choose as many photos as you want that you want to post on your story. From here just tap on next, and now you will be able to send it to anyone you want as well as post it on your story. So from here just go ahead and tap on story for friends only, or if you want to make it public just make it public. I'm gonna do both and tap on next. Now your stories will be posted. So if I go ahead and tap on my profile at the top left corner, the stories are being posted right here. So as you can see, here is the story that has been added to my profile. So that is all for this video guys. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys next time.